As said in the previous video, I'll be talking about the tools that you need to learn as a DevOps beginner or a fresher. So even before talking about the tools, I want to talk about a very basic prerequisite where you need to focus more. The first one is the OS. So you need to know where these DevOps tools runs mostly. So that is on some OS, and that OS is Linux. So you need to get familiar with the Linux and the commands that use for running different applications or changing the directory or anything. Let me know in the comments below if you want Linux related topics that I can cover in the shorts of the video, and do subscribe to my channel to don't miss any updates on that. The next one is your text editor. So make a good choice of selecting some good text editor. In my case, I'll prefer VS Code because it has wide and vast number of community. So once you are done with the prerequisites, then you comes the S where your source control management actually starts. Git is a tool where your code will be versioned and stored for every change you did on the code. And GitHub is something where exactly the code is stored. So you must learn Git and GitHub. Moving on to the containerization. So for containerization, we use Docker, which is very important. And once you learn or master Docker, you can move into the Kubernetes. That's very advanced level, and you can start from the Docker and then slowly move it towards the Kubernetes. Next comes your continuous integration and continuous deployment that I already spoke in the previous shots. So you can directly go with GitHub Actions, that is current trend, and everyone is moving towards the GitHub Actions. Or if you want a job standard and more reliable and more community level tool, you can go for Jenkins. Next one is infrastructure as a code. Coming to the servers, earlier you used to provision servers manually, but now everything is automated. You can simply write a code which can actually spin up the whole infrastructure for you without even going and doing it manually. For IAC, we'll use Terraform, which is a very important. Next one is obviously your cloud. So you must definitely know either AWS or Azure or GCP, but I recommend AWS because most of the jobs that you see will definitely have either at least one service that is coming out of AWS. So I prefer AWS if you are looking and trying to learn any cloud. You can sign up for AWS free tier where you can actually try different services and get familiar with AWS. So these are the 5 categories that I want to put in. So the prerequisite and all the 5 that I list in the screen. If you want me to put any long form videos, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and do consider subscribing. As said in the previous video, I'll be